Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can turn off TalkBack feature in your Galaxy M15's 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, you have to simply open you have to take two fingers to swipe like this. Click on one time to select the app, then double tap to activate it. Then you will see here it is accessibility. Just click on one time, double tap it, click on TalkBack, double tap it, click on this, double tap it, and you will see here it is. Just double tap and click on turn off. And friends, you can see it is
TalkBack off.
The TalkBack is turned off. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.